can trade, huh?
Me.
Yeah.
Santa comes at 9. Not on daytime. He comes at 9. Rudolph eat cookies.
Did Rudolph eat all the cookies? Or did he eat the carrots?
Carrot. Brandon, no. Eat.
Here, can you rip right
Cookies
there? I know you know how to do this.
My first Christmas. Hannah Montana. I got that for Santa. Hannah Montana. I got this for Christmas. That's my first grade. That's what I got for Christmas.
Can you hold it up, sweetie? Oh my goodness. Oh, Hannah Montana dance and sing, Matt.
You can dance with like Hannah.
I'm gonna open it.
Well, honey, let's open.
Let's open up our
Yeah, you gotta unwrap all your presents first, then you can pick something to play with.
Here's something for you to open. From Santa. It's from Santa.
Santa comes tonight. That's where Santa got me this one. I got soccer ball.
What color is the soccer ball?
Pink.
Let's see it.
Pink soccer ball.
Wow.
Papa, I got a pink soccer ball.
Oh, fine. Yes.
Pink. I got that for Christmas.
Oh, mine.
Did I play that today?
I got a pink one. I got Hannah and Montana.
Here's another one that has Elizabeth's name on it from Santa.
That's for me.
That's for you.
That's for my auntie.
I don't know if that's from your, well, yeah. Sorta. Here you go. Let's open this one.
I got a door. I got Hannah Montana.
That's the hit.
Whoa.
Do you need Mommy's help?
Can Santa got me this for Christmas?
He did get it for you for Christmas.
Santa comes up in my room. Mommy put a gate up.
That's right.
Why did Mommy put a gate up, Elizabeth?
Yeah, she did.
Uh-oh.
Oh,